Today's editorial is fiscal rectitude can mean larger deficit. Rectitude means honesty, virtue, uprightness. Fiscal correctness can mean larger deficit. This editorial examines the question: does a larger and swifter stimulus make sense? And provides answer to this question. The editorial says persistent high fiscal deficits can cause macroeconomic stress manifesting as inflation and a widening current account deficit. Persistent high fiscal deficits can cause macroeconomic stress and it will get manifested, it will be reflected in terms of inflation and widening, increasing current account deficit. The result of high fiscal deficit will be reflected in increased inflation and widened current account deficit. However, fiscal rectitude does not always mean a smaller deficit. If correct fiscal policy is followed, it is not going to ensure a smaller deficit. In a situation such as the present one, when economic activities, in a situation such as the present one, the right policy is to have a significantly larger deficit so as to give a major push to economic growth and elevate it to a high trajectory. The need of the hour is to go for higher economic growth and to elevate growth trajectory, growth path. India's direct fiscal stimulus at less than 2% of GDP has been underwhelming. Underwhelming means it is less impressive, it is less exciting as compared to her peer groups and other advanced economies. Economic packages or fiscal stimulus is less than 2% of GDP. Of course, increasing the size of the stimulus would mean a higher fiscal deficit given the sharp slide in revenue collections. This in turn would push up the public debt to GDP ratio in the near term, but also accelerate the rate of economic growth. Our whole focus is to accelerate the rate of economic growth. Whereas a low increase in the fiscal deficit due to a smaller stimulus would nudge up debt to GDP only by a bit. It would effect only moderate force to the economic impulse. So a smaller stimulus package will have moderate force on economic impulse. That is why it makes sense to have a larger and swifter stimulus than a smaller one. So the editorial answers the question: does a larger and swifter stimulus make sense? Because larger stimulus package will push economic growth and will elevate growth path trajectory. A higher growth trajectory would lead to falling debt GDP over the years, whereas low growth would lead to rising debt to GDP ratio. A higher growth path would lead to falling debt to GDP ratio over the years. If economic growth is substantial, then debt to GDP ratio will fall over the years, and low growth would lead to rising debt to GDP ratio. So the main focus of the editorial is that government should give more fiscal stimulus, should provide more economic packages for the growth of Indian economy. Once economic growth is substantial, then debt to GDP ratio will fall over the years. At this time, When the economy has slumped, it is time to accelerate the rate of economic growth by giving stimulus packages. Fiscal prudence or correctness at this moment is not going to do more good. So it is time to go for increase in stimulus packages, and it should be done not in a piecemeal way. It should be done as soon as possible. That's all for today. Thanks for listening.